Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's a girl Lika. So for those of you who are new here, please note that the only content I make in regards to making money online are the ones that are accessible to people from the Caribbean or from smaller nations that find it difficult to get a job online. That's one of the reasons why you don't see me posting 24/7, because I don't want to know that I recommend you to apply to any job, and then when you apply you realize that it's not from our region. And to my Jamaican people, big up on yourself. So guys, I will say this and I will say this again. Getting a job online is not easy, and it's not hard as well. If you have the right qualifications, then you are able to get through. So there has been an addition to my channel. What I will be doing going forward is that the first 20 people to comment underneath my videos about just about a company that they want to try, guys, I will just add you to my list so that I can help you to actually sign up, no matter where you're from. The only thing that I want you to do, or I would advise you to do rather, watch the video and to see which one is more which one suits you rather. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 companies that are hiring appointment setters. Now, for those of you who like to listen, who like to hear, and who like planning and organizing and all that great stuff, guys, then this video is for you. If you are not that kind of person, please just run along and find something that is more comfortable to you. So my appointment setters, my business administrative people, this one is for you. Now, the first company that we're going to go with is, guys, forgive me, but I really have to use my phone because I wrote down the most important information in my phone. So yes, so the first one, it's called Airtable. Now, they provide Airtable service, which is an easy to use online platform for creating and sharing relational databases. So it's basically like, let me see which of these softwares I could compare it to. I would say Word or QuickBooks, or those kind of platforms. It's something like that. So Airtable is seeking persons to fill a full-time remote position to be an appointment setter. This is not commission based, let me note that as well. But sources have revealed that they have earned somewhere between $750 US to $1,500 US per month. Now for Airtable, it is an 8-hour shift and the night shift is available. So for those of you who actually have 9 to 5 already, you can just use this as your night 9 to 5. And you must be fluent in English. So for my Jamaican people, I think up to this point, everybody's supposed to fluently speak English. And put that in a pot where at this point everybody's supposed to know how to speak proper English. Everybody is supposed to know how to speak proper English at this point. So I don't think that is going to be a problem for us. And for those of you who have call center experience in cold calling, this company Airtable, they prefer people who have at least 1 year experience. No, they said preferred, but they didn't limit it to that. So if you don't have the 1 year experience, I would advise you to at least try and apply, but they had put preferred in brackets, so I'm just highlighting that for you from now so that you can know before you go ahead and try. And going back to call center, they also mentioned that having a BPO experience of at least 1 year would have been a plus. So people who worked at call centers and then they got cut, persons that actually lost their jobs who had been working at call centers, guys, this is your chance to actually put yourself back on the map. So guys, for those of you who are from English speaking countries that have an accent, they prefer people who don't have an accent. So if you know how to drop that accent. I heard people saying that Jamaicans have an accent. Do I have an accent? I don't know if I have an accent, but yes, they prefer people who have like an American accent, not Americans, an American accent to no accent. So something to that is understandable or none at all. So if you can understand me, you can do it. But if you can't understand what I'm saying, then yeah guys, you understand, you know what that means. So they also prefer people who are able to supervise themselves. So if you know how to monitor yourself and keep track of time. If you have good time management, guys, please go ahead and apply. And they want people to work in US Central Time, Mondays to Fridays. So you have your Saturdays and your Sundays to yourself. And like I mentioned in my previous videos, guys, if you are not customer centered, as in if you don't know how to talk to people, don't apply. So in regards to workspace requirements, right? So they said they need noise cancelling headset. So the professional ones, not the mobile headsets. For persons who work at call center before, you know which headset they're talking. I think it's the thing that comes over your head and then the mic at the mouth right there, that thing. And you're supposed to have a laptop or a desktop and 4 GB RAM. So a desktop or a laptop with 4 GB RAM. And they want you to have a stable internet connection. So now we are down to the little hard part. This is the only hard part, guys. So you are going to need to sit a 50 minutes exam. You will need to record your screen while you are performing the exam, and they require you to submit picture proof. So just a screenshot of your computer spec. Now hold up, for those of you who don't know how to do that, I am going to put a screenshot on the screen so that you can see where in your settings to go and find the specifications of your computer. So if you need assistance in signing up the form, you can go ahead and comment in the comment section. Now the second company, it's a home remodeling company. So they basically do renovations and installations, and the reason I put this one in here is because I realized that a lot of Jamaicans have been talking about this company. So I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead and check it. And then I realized that yes, they were indeed hiring Jamaicans. So guys, please listen and then apply. So based on my research, they pay anywhere between $10 to $20. And in the application form, they ask you for your expected wage. I would put $10. The reason being is because $10 per hour, $10 US per hour is much better than 450 Jamaican dollars per hour. Like seriously. So either way, it's a win-win. A win is a win. So I would most definitely put the lower amount because at the end of the day, I'm still not losing. So on the application form, you will be asked if you are authorized to work in the US. Your answer should be yes, unless your country actually restricts people from actually working with a US company, like a company based in the US. Otherwise, your answer remains yes. So after that, you'll be asked a series of educational and experience questions. And by the way, please have a good resume and cover letter. Guys, I keep stressing this. This is international, so it's not like these local companies. This is international, so you have to be competitive. And for those of you who need assistance in writing a cover letter or you need a cover letter sample, I do charge people to write resumes, but for the sake of my YouTube channel and the support that a lot of you have been giving me, guys, I will be assisting whoever asks me for a template or so to write their resume. All I need to do is just reach out to me, let me know that you saw my video on YouTube or whatever, and you are asking me for assistance to write a resume or a cover letter. It's that simple. I don't bite. So the name of this company is Dreamstyle Remodeling. And again, the link is in the description. Please make your way down and apply all the best. So the third company is one that assists tertiary students with courses. No, you won't need to do any cold calling, but you will need to book appointments with students, prospective students. You need to just book an appointment with them. Now, the students' information will be given to you, so you don't need to worry about that aspect of it. Basically, you are just scheduling an appointment so that the sales rep and the student can have further discussion to know if they want to enroll or anything like that. So to get in, you must be able to speak in fluent English and write in proper English. They offer flexible schedules within the hours of 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Mondays to Sundays. I don't know why I said Mondays to Sundays, but anyway, Mondays to Sundays. So basically, you will need to set the appointment with the student, but you are not the one who will be closing the sale. So the minimum hourly rate for a lot of US citizens is around $20 US. So as a non-US citizens, they probably pay you about a little over half of that or half of that. And guys, when you are applying, they will give you some hints on the application form. Please follow the hints. Also, although they ask a lot of questions on the application form, not all of them are mandatory. So for the ones that don't apply to you, for example, if they ask you something like, how many years of experience do you have? If you don't have any experience, just write 0. So the name of the third company, it's called Achieve Test Prep, and I have seen other Jamaicans who have said that yes, they got a job with Achieve Test Prep. So guys, please go ahead and apply. Now for the fourth appointment setting job, this one is not a company, it's more of a website. So the name of it is Overpass. The only thing that is absolutely necessary that they want you to have had is 1 year experience in phone-based sales. So if you don't have that, the system is going to, like, after you submitted your profile, because you will need to set up a profile. Now, if you set it up and then they realize that you don't have like the 1 year experience, they are automatically going to deny you. So they won't cancel your account, but they won't allow you to be able to get any jobs on the website. Now for this one, it is not a case where you will actually go out of your way to get jobs. Once you are one of the qualified persons on the website, they will send you an offer for one of the companies that they actually partner with. You are qualified, you get an offer for a company to work. They send that to you, and that's very easy to me, guys. So for the fifth company, they only need a few things, right? They're required to have good memory, as in your brain, not your computer. They're required to have a desktop or a laptop. You will be asked to work night shift sometimes, otherwise called graveyard shift. You'll need a wired microphone headset, a quiet workspace, the ability to pay attention to details. So in applying, you will be asked a series of questions, nothing Einstein-ish, just questions regarding your health and being organized and stuff like that. So all you need to do is just answer those questions properly, and then that's it. So the name of this final company, it's called Business Foundation Pros. Companies like these, once you get in, you have a good chance of making money. I do not believe that absolutely any company will waste their money or resources to put out advertisement about a job that they do not have any intention of hiring people from where they say they want people from. I don't believe they would waste money to do that. So if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button, and leave a comment so that I can know that yes, people are actually watching. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time, peace out.